This video will help you understand how to use the My Filing Cabinet page to view current and older submissions and how to go about managing your portfolio. Now, when you're logged into eReinsure, go ahead and click on your filing cabinet on the menu bar. This page has a few different features: the Search Accounts tool, the Filter Accounts tool, and the My Filing Cabinet tabs. Let's go ahead and take a look at each. You can search for submissions by named insured or policy number. To search by named insured, select the named insured radio button and enter a search term into the search box. You can enter either part or all of the name, then click the search button. Your results will be displayed in the body of the page, and you can click on the named insured to look at the submission summary. You can also search by policy number by selecting the radio button and entering the number in the search box. The filter tool on the left side of the page has several drop-down options that can be used on their own or in conjunction with one another. Let's say a colleague of mine is out on vacation and I need to review his accounts. I'll select his name from the underwriter drop-down. I can also filter by specific statuses. In this case, I'll select in progress. You can also narrow your filters by branch and reinsurance effective date. So when I click filter, all of Steve's in progress submissions are displayed. The idea here being that you can combine filter criteria from the drop-down lists of filters to find exactly what you're looking for. By default, there are 20 records that are shown, but you can choose from the drop-down to increase that number. There will be at least 3 filing cabinet tabs along the top of the page: Submissions and Files, which is the default view, Quotes and Negotiations, and Endorsements. The Submissions and Files tab gives you a submission level view when you search. For example, I'll search for Acme. I see a bunch of different submissions here with Acme in the name, but I'll go ahead and select Acme Land Development. Alternatively, if I go back and click on the Quotes and Negotiations tab and search for the same submission, Acme Land Development, I get a view for each of the lines with each market. It's essentially a view that's one level deeper down from the Submissions tab. If I want to manage my portfolio with a particular reinsurer or broker, I could select that company under the Assumer dropdown. Let's check all results with Assumer Snowbird Re within my view from this year. It looks like my office has a number of submissions that we can chase up on. The Endorsement tab is pretty self-explanatory. When searching in this tab, the results will be limited to endorsements. Here, I'll enter Plaza and look at my results. You can use all of the filter criteria on the left to aid you in your search, such as endorsement-specific statuses like waiting on Cedent or waiting on reinsurer. The Automatics tab here will only appear for users with access to facility workflows on eReinsure, and they follow the same concept. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, we have excellent support personnel standing by ready to help. Just reach out using this contact information. Thank you and have a great day.